Sensei Vegan here. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to have for breakfast very quickly. And I always get asked what I have for breakfast. And I like to get up, get hydrated, and try to get some fruit in me. You know what I mean? I know, like during my daily commute, I don't want to drink too much fluids because I have a nice little commute into New York City. You don't want to get trapped on a bus and have to go to the bathroom. So, like, I'm home now, so this is what I normally do. I will get up and I will have a smoothie. So I'm going to show you guys a very quick smoothie. It is not rocket science, and yeah, we're just going to rock and roll this thing out. So first thing I start with, I'm going to throw some coconut water in here. Now, if you don't have coconut water, that's fine. You can just use regular water. And this is a very simple smoothie here. So I'm going to throw the coconut water in. It's just one can. And I believe it's like 11 ounces. Okay. Why they made it 11 ounces, I have no idea. Why couldn't they just take it to a even 12 ounces? And then we're going to get a few bananas in here. I'm going to throw 3 bananas in. And this isn't one of those smoothies where I'm trying to throw in like 10 bananas or something like that. I don't think you have to go that extreme. You can if you want to. I don't think it's necessary. I know some people try to, you know, they count the calories and things like that. I rarely, if ever, count calories. I eat according to how I feel. You know, if I'm hungry, I eat. If I'm not hungry, I don't eat. It's that simple. Or I eat according to my activity level. So, 3 bananas. Got that. Some frozen peaches. And you can add whatever type of fruit that you like. I'm using these frozen peaches because right now the fruit scene up here in Jersey, New York is not that great. You know, it's always like that in summer. It's not summer, but winter time. So we got a few peaches in there. That's enough. Next, I'm going to add some blueberries. And again, this is just something to get me jump started in the morning. I'm going to add 1 lime. And I'll drink this whole thing. It's no big deal. Set this off to the side, squeeze the other half in. Sorry if my arm is blocking the camera there. And as you can see, this is very, very simple. And wipe my hands here. And then what I'm going to add, I have some goji berry powder, okay, some organic goji berry powder. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of that. And that's no exact measurements. And it's just like a heaping teaspoon. The goji berry powder. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what that looks like. Hopefully that shows up on the camera. And you know what? I almost forgot one of my ingredients. Now, this next ingredient that I'm adding, this is something that I made up and I will share with you at a later date. I want to see if it actually works. You know, I do a lot of research on different foods and herbs and things like that, and I think I might have come up with something that can actually help you put muscle on. So I'm going to add a heaping teaspoon of my magic powder here, and it's all natural ingredients. It's all food grade product, okay? It's nothing that's going to hurt you at all. Okay, so I'm going to put this back. Excuse my arms there in the camera. So now there you have it. Very simple. Bananas, peaches, coconut water, blueberry, lime, some goji powder, and then my secret blender powder. Put this thing on. And what I'm going to do is always keep your blender unplugged until you're ready to start blending. I always tell people you don't want any extra bits in your smoothie in the morning, so please be careful. And I will give you guys a little bit of blending music so you don't hear this thing rattling in your ear. It is that simple, that easy. Turn the blender off, unplug it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in this mason jar I have here. And I don't know if how this is going to come out, so I'm going to pour it. Hopefully it's all centered up on the screen, but you guys will get the gist. And this is it. This is my smoothie. As you can see, it's a pretty good fit. Just slide this back here. And yeah. And I will put this like right here with the lid on. Nice and tight. Wipe that off. And here it is. This is what I'll have for breakfast. I will drink this whole thing. I'm not sure how many ounces this thing. Let me see. I'm not even sure. But it's a pretty good bit, you know, and I'll drink this whole thing, and that's what I'm going to do for my breakfast. So this is for people asking, and I'll throw these videos up periodically to keep you guys in the loop, and maybe even do a full like cooked meal of what I have. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for joining me. If you like videos like this, you give it a thumbs up, sub to the channel. Sensei Vegan, thanking each and every last one of y'all for joining me. Hello. Good night, even though it's not night. That's my saying, that's my quote, that's what I'm gonna keep saying after every video. And I have a great day. Time is something you don't get back, so please get out there and make the best of it.